Hello friends and welcome to a review of the Glen curved glass kitchen chimney 6070 Junior. This wall mounted chimney comes with curved glass with black powder coated steel body. It is designed to suit your modern kitchen, making it smoke free. This Glen chimney has a powerful suction rate of 1000 meter cube per hour to exhaust the smoke and oil vapors out of the kitchen, making your kitchen smoke and grime free. The 60 cm wall-mounted chimney is suitable for 2, 3 and 4 burners gas stoves of around 60 cm in width. It has a stainless steel baffle filter with dynamic airflow. It collects the extra oil in its fins and are easy to remove and clean. This stainless steel filter has a long life and hence it can be washed in a dishwasher as well. The Glen chimney is made of rust-resistant steel for a long life. It has 2 by 1.5 watt energy-saving LED candles to illuminate the cooking area. This chimney has 3-speed push-button controls. The chimney is fitted with a powerful, efficient 100% copper Italian motor with thermal overload protector to switch off the chimney in case of excessive heat. The wires, blower and motor housing of this chimney are made from flame retardant plastic that provides utmost safety. Now, we come to the most important part of this chimney. It comes with Glen installation kit of MRP Rs 1095 absolutely free. You can also avail free installation. The installation kit includes expandable aluminum duct pipe of 4 mm diameter and 9 meter length, 1 cowl, 2 U-shaped clamps, 2 meter aluminum tape and an electric plug. This Glen chimney comes with a lifetime warranty. For further information, please visit the product detail page.